Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're going to talk about
balancing equations.
explanation of the rules. It's about the math and science too.
And this guy is sleeping for some reason.
Okay,
In class.
so let's see how the balancing equation works and its rules. Let's get it started, Lina.
Yep.
Hmm.
So you are okay. Equality. You are learning about equality.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This man has 5.
And then 1, 2, 3, 5, 2.
Okay, so that's
two.
equality. Yeah.
Okay.
That means both sides.
Both sides are equal. That means.
And how we can see in the math, there is a, what is that?
What do you call it?
Balancing scale.
Yeah, scale. It's a scale.
Yeah, scale.
It's called scale.
Right
in
now,
another video, I also made like a scale.
Yeah. So right now, this is in the stable positions, which is nothing there right now.
Yeah, it's just like this.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So.
And then next slide. So 5 equals 5.
So
Like
in
we
math,
had 5 here. I bring that there.
Yeah. So when we need to put in a math, it looks like that. 5 equal to 5, and this is balancing. So it can be two equal sides, right? An equation has two equal sides. That's called equations.
Yeah, I already moved on to the
next side. Two sides has to be equal. If it's not, that means it's not equations, right?
Okay, next slide.
Okay.
If you add like more numbers to the other side,
adding
one side, like I added, so they added 2.
So here is
that's 7. Oh no! Our scale is now like this, but we want it like this, right? Let's see what we can do.
Yeah. So if adding 2,
now we have to add 2 to the other side too.
Yeah, has to be fair both sides.
Yes.
Equation
now,
is fair.
It's not like this. Yay! It's like this.
Yeah. So you added both sides, 2 and 2, which is 7 equal to 7 balls.
Yeah.
Now,
and then 7 minus 4.
So same thing happening in the subtraction too. We saw in addition, now see in the subtraction. What is happening here? What is the condition of the balancing?
Now it's like this because we took out 4 and that leaves us 3. So I think we had to just minus 4 too on the other side. Yes, I'm right.
Do you notice, Lina? Balance is always going down where is the bigger number. Yeah, it's moved to the bigger number, and the lighter number is always going up. Right?
Yeah, and if there's nothing on here, just 0, then this would definitely go.
It's the same like in the playground. Do you notice in the playground?
Like
seesaw?
There's like one seesaw. Yeah.
So to equal it and the both sides, what to do?
So now you got a minus 4. Which is 3
equal to 3.
And then 3 times 2.
Now we see
that's just 6.
So 3 times 2. Now we see in the multiplication version.
Yeah, and now that's 6. So I think we also have a times 2 to this side.
Yeah.
Yep. And I was right. And 6 equals 6. And now it's actually it changed a while ago. Equation. If we multiply one side of an equation, we must do the same for the other side. That happened like a while ago.
Has to be fair. As I said, has to be fair. Yeah. If you add that side 2, you have to multiply by 2 on the other side too.
Okay. Now 6.
What is that is here? What do you see?
Now it's 6 divided by 2.
Yeah, so division.
And then equation.
If we divide one side of equation by a number, we must do the same for the other side. So 6 divided by 2. What will be
then you also have to do 6 divided by 2.
2. So which will be
3.
Equal to 3.
Equal to 3.
Right.
Then 9.
What is that?
2
Practice.
plus what? Wait. Wait.
So you have a 9 here.
So let's see until what makes 9. Well, I really don't. until to 9.
So how
So,
much you need to add?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No,
9.
7.
Yeah, so you need to add
Actually, I already know.
7.
Yeah, you need to
Over
add
there.
7 to a mystery box.
Yeah, so balance
You
has
got
to be
that
fair.
mystery box. Oh, sorry. Is 7.
Right.
It's the answer's 7.
Another practice time. So Jack has a 20 coins.
Yeah, this
Diana?
is Jack. Diana is this
Has the
girl.
same number of coins as Jack in her 2 purses. So if each person has the same number of coins, how many are in each purse?
So it's basically, I think it's 10.
Let's see
10.
how
10
we
in
can
each purse.
how can we do in the math way.
Yep.
Yeah. So
So
ta-da! 10 equal to 2 purses.
yeah.
So
this isn't a math way.
So it's best to start by writing out the equation using numbers. So this is 20 equal to, she has a 2 purse, right? Now, what will be the answer? What
So-
you need to do here?
So subtract. So these are like the answer that you can choose.
So do you subtract by 2 from both sides of equation, or multiply the number of coins on the left by 2, or add 18 to the right side of the equation, or divide both sides of the equation by 2? Which one will be the answer?
I think it's the last one. Because you're dividing 2 by.
Yeah, because we need to divide by 2.
So 10, because 10 times 2 is 20.
Right. So that division will work here.
And then
So division you need to do. No, that's okay. You have to divide by what? 2. 2, exactly.
like right there.
Because we don't want this 2
10
here.
coins. So 10 coins in one purse. Each purse contains. That's the exact thing.
10 coins. Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah. So we learned something. Balance equation by step. Hope you learned something new. And see you guys next time. Bye.